Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'll show you how can you extend background in a picture in the Photoshop. Okay, open the Photoshop and create a project. I created the project before I select it. Okay, first choose crop tool and make some space with dragging. Okay, when the dragging is finished, click on check marks. A little zoom out. Now click on rectangular marquee tool and select these black spaces. Okay, go to select, modify, and click on expand by 20. You can change it. Click on OK. Now go to edit and click on fill. Click on OK, and you just wait a moment. If you like the video, and please subscribe my channel. Now just click Ctrl D. You can see it very well extend the background with a good quality. The video is finished. Goodbye guys.